Shameless with William H. Macy. This is where Frank wakes up in Mexico and he's nasty. And let's see. Remember, facades. Nothing is inside. Except we do have a tech team here. So whenever they're ready, they will activate our store. A little lightning, a little thunder, courtesy of some strobe lights and sound effects. Thank you, tech team. Appreciate it. You're the best. Now, what's missing? The rain, right? Let's get some rain in here. Cue the rain effects, tech team. And action. Look at that. You got sprinklers, gravity. You could do this at home too. You could just use your camera and be your own little Steven Spielberg. But let's pretend that we're on set. So let's say we didn't get the shot. Didn't look good enough. We're gonna go back to one. Can we cut that rain, tech team, just to show them? Tech team? Uh-oh. I think they went to their Super Bowl party a little early. This is a problem. Uh-oh. Y'all feeling that? Do you see it? I hear some screams back there. Oh yes. Massive flash floods. Stay tuned. Wow. Now don't worry, I know that's a lot of water. We do recycle it. It goes straight up the hill and directly into the drinking fountains in the park. So hope y'all have been hydrating today. So you got Oscar-nominated Paul Giamatti, and then you got his stunt double. There you go. Now this is actually where not